Time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now heritage flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. We would like to dedicate today's Heritage Flight.
Humble that way, but let Michael know you appreciated his routine and wish him a happy birthday from all of us. If you liked what you saw, get out there on the social media, tell all your friends about it. We're going to do this all again tomorrow, and if this was so much fun today, it's going to be even more fun tomorrow. Pavement out in front of us. As you head back to your cars, please heed the directions of all of our security personnel out there and our safety people. Their goal to get you home safely this afternoon.